How you doing today? I'm Ben Gaffney. I'm here to make one of our Lyman specials. Today it's going to be Tabouli. The ingredients are cracked bulgur wheat, mint, parsley, red onion, garlic, kosher salt, olive oil, lemon juice, and some heirloom tomatoes. Alright, we're going to start with the cracked wheat, which has been hydrated with 2 cups of boiling water. And we're going to proceed to add in the garlic, the kosher salt, the olive oil, and the lemon. We're going to mix all that up, and then we're going to start chopping stuff up. Right, one of my favorite sandwiches is using Lyman's hummus, Lyman's Tabouli, and our homemade flatbread. Got it. And everything goes better with a little bit of lime and apple on it. There we go. We got ourselves a sandwich. Let's see how it tastes. Very good.